Welcome to my fast news segment channel. You can view quick news in few minutes. In Secunderabad railway station, two train coaches catches fire. The incident happened on Thursday. Thick smoke was seen billowing out of two spares AC coaches parked at Mettuguda near South Central Railway headquarters. Rail Nilayam firefighting personnel rushed to the spot and dosed the fire. There were no casualties in the incident as there was no one in the coaches parked at the washing line. The firefighting firefighter had to use ladders to reach the affected coaches and stop the fire from spreading to other coaches parked there. And the reason of the fire accident is not yet known. Two men covering their faces and bodies with burqa and helmet on Thursday attempted to rob a jewelry shop in Mirchel. The shop owner escaped and shouted for help, forcing the two robbers to flee, leaving the booty behind. Around 1:45 p.m. The accused entered Jagdamba jewelry shop, one wearing a burqa while the other wore a helmet. No sooner did they enter the shop then they started threatening the owner and stabbed him in the shoulder, trying to loot the jewelry and cash. As the accused belongs to Bavaria gang, as they have committed a similar crime in 4 places before fleeing the scene. Their actions like speaking Hindi and their appearance and violent approach confirm the gang's involvement, said Mirchel additional DCP Narsimha Reddy. The incident occurred 25 meters away from a police station and police were unable to retrieve preliminary crime evidence as the accused wore gloves preventing fingerprints from being left behind. The CCTV camera in the area have been removed due to flyover construction, hindering the capture of the suspects. Nearly 25 CCTV cameras were removed from the mutual check another junction due to construction work. According to the reliable source, they entered in a fiery manner causing panic, said Shesharam, the shop owner. Team conducts inspection at Hotel Sandarshini, Raj Bar and Restaurant and Alpha Hotel. After conducting inspection at a restaurant in Hyderabad, the task force team of the Food Safety Department of Telangana began inspect hotels in Secunderabad. The team conducted inspection violation found in hotels in Secunderabad. At Hotel Sandarshini, food articles stored inside the refrigerator were covered not labeled properly. Moreover, the kitchen premises were not fitted with an insect-proof screen. However, the food handlers were found wearing aprons and hair caps. In the case of Rajbar and Restaurant, a rat was observed near the dustbin area. No rat traps were arranged after the dustbin at the restaurant. Dustbins were found open without proper lids. Food handlers were found without hair cap and apron. Violations were also found at Alpha Hotel in Secunderabad. At the hotel, unhygienic conditions like open dustbins and plastering flakes on the ceiling were observed. Moreover, the kitchen premises were not fitted with a proper insect-proof screen. According to the task force team, the FBO hindered the food safety official during inspection and refused to sign the inspection reports at the end. The Commissioner of Food Safety mentioned that as per the clause 60 of the FSS Act 2006, a case will be booked against the FBO with a punishment of up to 3 months imprisonment and a fine of up to rupees 1 lakh. ED rates BRS MLA Guddem Mahipal Reddy, his brother. The Enforcement Directorate on Thursday searched premises linked to Telangana BRS MLA Guddem Mahipal Reddy and his brother Guddem Madhusudan Reddy as a part of an alleged illegal mining linked money laundering case. Officials said Mahipal Reddy represents the Patancheru seats in the state assembly. About 7-8 premises including the premises of a quarrying company linked to Madhusudan Reddy are being searched. The source said the ED case of money laundering stems from a state police FIR into a alleged illegal mining. Madhusudan Reddy was arrested by the police in March as part of this investigation. Level 1750 from Telangana went on pilgrimage this year Six Telangana pilgrims died during Hajj. The first of the death was reported on May 25th and the latest was reported on June 18th. According to the official, the sweltering heat in Saudi Arabia of 52 degrees as six pilgrims from Telangana have lost their life while some of them have reported to have some health issues. The official said that the committee was in constant touch with local officials and team leaders to ensure safe pilgrimage for all those who went to perform Hajj this year. The return of the pilgrims is expected to begin on June 23rd and on Friday. The Taj Committee Chair Syed Ghulam Afzal Pasha and Executive Officer Sheikh Liaquat Ali Khan visited the RGIA to oversee preparation for returning pilgrims. People who left for the Hajj from Telangana, AP, Maharashtra and Karnataka are expected to arrive at the airport in the city, expected to continue their travel back home after landing here. College management protest for fee reimbursement. Member of the Telangana Private Degree and PG College Management Association took to the street at Dharna Chowk in Indira Park protesting non-release of fee reimbursement areas, a situation that they claim creates the survival of numerous degree colleges across the state despite the Telangana state government allocating around 2,500 crore annually for fee reimbursement. Only 40% amount to almost 1,000 crore is directed to non-professional students including those in junior degree and PG courses. Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy wished Irrigation Minister Uttam Kumar Reddy on his birthday as he turned 60 on Thursday. He visited Tirupati on June 7 and offered prayer at the temple shrine on the occasion of his and Padmavati Reddy birthday. She is also the MLA of Kodad. BRS leader and former Minister K.T. Ramarao, T. Harish Rao, Talasani Srinivas Yadav paid tributes to Talasani Shankar Yadav on Thursday, who has passed away on June 10th. Several leaders from different parties, including Minister and former Minister, paid homage to Shankar Yadav. Court gives bails to Kejriwal in a major relief to Delhi. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Rose Avenue Court, on Thursday granted him bail almost 3 months after he was arrested by Enforcement Directorate. Two more Indian students from the Telangana has been arrested by the US police in a shoplifting incident. According to the Karam Manasa Reddy and Puliyala Sindhuja Reddy for detained for attempt to shoplift at Mac in Dallas, Texas. The students who were studying in US were arrested by the Dallas police for shoplifting at the mall. Report indicates that they have been granted bail and subsequently released. One of the students arrested in alleged a habitual offender with links to previous theft in a related incident. Two Telugu students were from Guntur and Hyderabad were previously arrested by police for shoplifting at a grocery store in New Jersey. This student tries to steal 27 items worth $155 and were subsequently handcuffed and taken to the police department. NEET UG 2024 Supreme Court refuses to postpone counselling from July 6 while hearing a plea seeking cancellation of the NEET UG 2024 exam held by the National Testing Agency on May 5th this year. Supreme Court today refused to defer the counselling seat allotment process, which is scheduled to begin from July 6. The vacation bench of Justice Vikram Nath and SVN Bhatia sought NTA response on certain fresh pleas and tagged them with cases pending on similar issues which are listed on July 8. Counsel from one of the petitioners request during the hearing the counselling from July 6 will be postponed as the Supreme Court is to set to hear petition challenging the NEET UG exam on July 8. Hajj Committee issuing Umrah visas for the post Hajj section. Saudi Arabia Ministry of Hajj and Umrah has started issuing Umrah visa for the post-Hajj section. Press agency reported on Thursday the new Umrah season will coincide with the start of the new Islamic on Muharram 1st and the move aims to streamline the arrival of pilgrims to the kingdom and ensure a smooth and worry-free experience. Watch the channel, press the bell icon to get latest notification of news. Like, share and subscribe my channel.